Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Faris Minuddin, matric number 079398. Today I want to present about this project. Okay. In intro, group assignment are widely used in education to encourage collaboration and reflect real-world teamwork environment. However, manually forming group can often be time-consuming and result in unbalanced or unfair team. To address this, computer-based grouping method have been developed. This method use algorithm that consider student attribute to create more effective and balanced team. For example, clustering group student based on similar ability level or learning style. While the Gale-Shapley algorithm measures student according to their individual preference. Okay. Another method, tracking which constraint ensure diversity within a team and even distribution of skill. Additionally, cosine similarity is used to pair students with shared interests, promoting better compatibility and cooperation. That's all. Thank you. Okay, about the case study overview, our goal is to automatically form balanced and compatible student group based on scale, interest, and availability. The issue is that manual group formation is time-consuming and often lead to unwanted team. To solve this, we explore several algorithms like clustering, optimization, graph-based matching, and heuristic, all designed to create fair and efficient grouping. Since students have different talents, interests, and skills, we recommend data-driven, scalable strategy that adapt to growing class size and ensure optimum team formation. That's all. Thank you.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Sabahan bin Muhammad Yusof, matric number 076587. Today I would like to share about key finding for analysis. So the title is Understanding Algorithm Performance. The clustering is a good option for grouping naturally. However, the values chosen can make big difference. Second, optimization is highly useful when dealing with limitation, but it takes a lot of computing power. The graphic display the pattern people is relationship and needs information about interactions. For matching, give each person in a group or two a fair opportunity to be pair. For example, by using Gale-Shapley. For heuristic, easy to understand and use, but it cannot handle situation that require change or challenge. For the trade-off that were noticed include decision between how quick or accurate the system is and how complex or scalable it should be. Next, algorithm selection. The title Selection of Algorithm for Implementation. K-means clustering. Place students in groups based on what they are good at and what they like. Fits well for processing massive amount of data. For genetic algorithm, Pathfinder generates groups that are best for several conditions. A successful model for candidates with various skills. For graph partitioning, people gather into groups that are formed by existing relationships like working together before. Group students into closely working teams. For Gale-Shapley stable marriage solution, pairing partners depending of the mentee or team wishes. Guarantee that our students have equal and dependable assignments. Lastly, greedy algorithm. Easy and rule-based choices. Useful when something needs to be done quickly, like booking meeting.
Decision making process. First, we define our objectives, which is working on having different skills we presented, avoid assignments, and taking respect of others' wishes into consideration. Second, reviewing the information that we are provided with. Be sure to look at their abilities, whether they are interested, if they are available, if they have collaborated with others, and what they like. So we evaluate our uh, algorithm based on scalability, fairness, flexibility, and performance. What we consider in this context. The best algorithm used based on the circumstances is first we try our k-means if need to set out a data set with a similarity concept. Resort to GA if you are faced with many objectives and limits. Applying graph partitioning helps arrange relations into certain groups. Use leadershiply when deciding based on everyone's main choice is necessary. Greedy is perfect for cases where all the choices are set by rules and you want to make decisions quickly. And lastly, you combine and try by apply several models together, examine the results, and make sure they match real world results. For project management, our group have a comparison table which is based on category, best use case, advantages, and their challenges.
Okay, now for final recommendations. In conclusion, why we pick matching algorithm? First, is it fairness? Is to ensure each participant is considered equally. Second is stability, to prevent conflicts and unstable groupings. Next is preference satisfactions. This algorithm takes individual preference into account. Okay, so next is matching algorithm. Stable. There is two algorithm that are specially designed to do it, which is stable marriage algorithm and Hungarian algorithm. For this algorithm, a pair of group individual based on defined preference or criteria is ensure optimal and conflict-free assignments. They offer a structure and reliable foundation for creating balanced and compatible group. Last but not least, while the other methods like clustering or optimization are helpful for enhancement, matching algorithm remain the most precise, fair, and scalable solutions, especially in settings where participant input and compatibility are crucial. Okay, for collaboration, we use several applications to support collaboration among all group members during the project. Google Document was our main collaboration tools. First of all, it allows multiple users to work on the same online document simultaneously. It also accessible anytime and anywhere by all group members, and it enables real-time feedback and editing without the need to manually share files. It is also improve the efficiency by eliminating the need to wait for others to finish their part before continuing. Okay, for the next collaboration tool, we also use Canva. Canva allow us to create videos, presentation, and posters online. This project can be worked on collaboratively simply by sharing the link. it will make it easier for the group members to create and edit presentation together. It enables group members to directly assist and contribute within the app. That's all from me. For the next presenter, Aiman.
Thank you to the last presenter. Now I will be presenting the conclusion of this presentation. So the importance of the topic that we have chosen is it enables the teachers to form balanced team while also saving their time. Furthermore, students are also taught better as they are grouped based on their skills, interests, and timings, so they can help each other while they are studying. Lastly, it would also help the members of the group to work together more harmoniously. Now, the way this methodology is structured is by implementing intelligent techniques such as the clustering algorithm, genetic algorithm, matching algorithm, and so on. This algorithm matches a variety of goals, which is to learn several skills, prioritize the interests of the teachers and students, and keeping work on track. Now, the challenges of this project, the algorithm, is the accuracy and the privacy, which means that having assignments worked on by equal groups is much harder as it requires a lot more data and a lot more people to accurately form groups. Furthermore, what will happen because of the based on the project is a number of schools can now use the data to group their students, which means that a lot of these systems will be able to evolve to become much more smarter, much more ethical, and used in a lot more industries. Now, the key point of this project is to ensure that group work in no matter what stage of studies that everyone has is made simpler, fairer, and more effective when the teacher use the automatic group formation software. Now, that is all for my conclusion. Thank you.